Namaste everyone and welcome to week 4 of our 6 weeks Yoga for Beginners journey. I'm sure you have been keeping up with your practice and you must all give yourself a pat on the back for maintaining the momentum. It's a new habit we are inculcating, and when we are doing that, consistency is the key. So whether you have been able to do it every single day or you have been practicing 2 to 3 times a week, it is okay. Just be consistent. Now let's get ready, get on the mat and begin with our week 4 practice. We begin our practice today with child's pose. So from your Vajrasana position, bring your forehead on the mat, forearms resting on the mat. Your eyes are closed. Breathe smoothly and connect with your breath. Tell yourself, this is my me time and I am not going to think of anything else but my breath. From Balasana, the child's pose, we will do a stretch for the upper back. So come onto your fingertips. From there, we are going to bring our left arm out to the other side. Stretch it to the outside as much as you can and then gently bring the left temple down on the mat. And you feel a yummy stretch in the left shoulder blade. Stay there, breathing smoothly. And gently pull out your left arm and let's take it to the other side. So stretching the right arm out to the left side, right temple on the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now coming onto your hands and knees. Send your hands one hand away, just a little ahead of your shoulders. Now stay firm here. Inhale and stretch your body further. As you exhale, slide your hips back towards the heels and you get a very good stretch in your back and around your shoulders. Inhale, you stretch forward. Exhale, you sink back towards your heels. Inhale, 3, big stretch. And this time you can even tuck your toes. Exhale, if you have tucked your toes, you will feel that you are getting a good stretch in the soles as well, and your ankles also get a good stretch. Inhale, you stretch and expand. Exhale, you sink towards your heels, bringing your hips as close to your heels as you can. It's a rhythmic movement. We are moving in sync with our breath. As you inhale, you expand. As you exhale, you curl in. Coming back onto your knees, and from here, the toes are still tucked in. We will sit on our heels. For the next movement, we will inhale and lift the upper body coming onto our knees like this. All right, let's do the movement. So your arms are stretched out in front of you. Inhale, you rise. Exhale, open up to your right. Back to the center, down. Inhale, rise. Exhale to your left. Inhale to center. Exhale, sit. Inhale, rise. Exhale, open. Inhale, center. Exhale, sit. Continue. Exhale, open up to your left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale to your right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, sit. Inhale, rise. Exhale, open up to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, sit. And relax. Maintain the same sitting position. Stretch your arms out to the side. Bend your left elbow. Place it at the bottom of your back. Right arm goes up. Bend the right elbow and place it on your back. See if you can interlock your fingers. If interlocking isn't available, that is okay. Just have your hands on your back. Hold this position. It's a very good stretch for your shoulders, for your upper back, and your arms. Switch the side. So this time the right hand stays low and the left arm goes up. Holding it for 10 seconds on each side. Keep your neck absolutely relaxed. Release your hands, and from there, relax your hands as well. Come onto your hands and knees, and let's do some wrist stretches. So point your fingers towards each other with your palm facing the ceiling, trying to keep your arms as straight as possible. Holding it for 10 seconds. Now switch the hand position, fingers facing your knees. Still, the palms are facing up. All right, release this. And maybe you want to shake your hands to let go of any stiffness or tension that might have built up. These wrist stretches are very good to be done throughout the day when you're working on your computer or using the phone a lot. All right, come onto your hands and knees. And from there, maybe tap your feet or turn your hips from left to right, just letting go of any stiffness if there still is. And when you feel ready, curl your toes and lift your knees. Stay there. 5, 4, 3. Keep your core engaged. 2, 1. Down. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Maybe you want to take a few breaths in child's pose. Breathing through your nostrils, and from there coming into the tabletop position, curl your toes, lift your knees all the way up into downward facing dog. Maybe you want to bend your knees, and when you do that, you actually feel a very good stretch in your hamstrings. One knee at a time. Nice. From there, step up with your right foot. Okay, right knee and ankle in one straight line. Place your left knee on the ground. Relax your left toes. You can either stay there with your hands on the mat or place your hands just behind your right knee. The back is straight, looking at a point in front of you. Okay, from there, stepping back with the right, coming into the downward facing dog. And now let's take it to the left. So step up with your left foot. Right knee on the ground. Relax the right foot. Hands can either stay on the mat or you can have your hands just behind the left knee. Breathe. Asana, low lunge. Hands back on the mat. Step back with your left foot, and we are in downward facing dog. Bend your knees, one knee at a time. Now step up with your right foot once again, and this time we keep the back knee off the floor. You can have your hands at your hips or your hands just behind your right knee. Okay, stepping back to downward facing dog and then to plank. Let's hold the plank. Stay strong here, breathing through your nostrils, keeping your core engaged. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to Cobra Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes and exhale to downward facing dog. Let's take the sequence to the other side. Step up with your left foot. Hands at your hips or just behind the left knee. You're doing good. Keep breathing through your nostrils. Stay with your breath. Stepping back with the left and coming into your plank position. Hold your plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Drop your knees, chest and chin. Ashtanga Namaskar From there, inhale and come into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Tuck your toes, exhale to downward facing dog. And now, walk your hands towards your feet. Nice. Now we will walk the hands away from the feet, coming into downward facing dog one more time. Walking the hands back towards the feet, coming into Uttanasana. And walking the hands away from the body, coming into downward facing dog. We will do it one more time. Walk your hands back towards the feet, and we are in Uttanasana. Here, hold on to your opposite elbows and relax your neck. Maybe close your eyes, breathe, let go of any thoughts that may be coming to you right now. From there, inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. Now we will do some standing stretches and balances. For the first one, stand close to the wall, place your left hand on the wall, and we will move the right leg forward and back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now 10 is just the counting, not the number of times that you move. You move at your own pace. Switch it. So right hand on the wall, move the left leg. It is a very good hip opener. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming back to our standing position, Tadasana. And now we will do some standing balances. So shifting the weight onto your right leg, lift your left knee, hold it with both your hands and bring it as close to your body as you can. We are doing standing Pavan Mukta Asana. Keep your core engaged. Nice. Now we will send the left foot behind. Hold on to your left ankle. This is a very good stretch for your quadriceps. Maintaining the balance. If at any point you feel that you are struggling with balancing on one leg, please stand close to the wall and you can always take support of the wall. Let's take it to the other side, bending the right knee, holding it with both your hands. On the exhale, bringing it in towards the body. Keep breathing through your nostrils. Release the knees, send the right foot behind you, hold it with both your hands. Balancing and feeling the stretch both at the same time. Nice, and release, coming back to the standing position one more time. And from there, we are going to stand with our feet 3 to 4 feet apart. So you come into a wide-legged stance like this with your feet parallel. Now turn your right foot out at 90 degrees. Stretch your arms by your side. Take a deep breath in and stretch out to your right. As you exhale, right hand goes down, simultaneously the left goes up. Keep looking forward, or if comfortable, you can turn your gaze towards the top hand. Stay there in your Trikonasana, triangle pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming out of it gently. Turning the right foot forward, and now take it to the left. So pointing the left toes out at 90 degrees. Inhale and stretch out to the left. Exhale. Left hand goes down, right hand goes up. You can be gazing forward or up towards the top hand. Your chest is open, back is straight. Breathing smoothly through the nose. We are holding this pose for 10 seconds on each side, coming out of it. Nice. Maybe shrug your shoulders up and down. Inhale, arms by the side. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale down. Do it 3 to 4 times. And then inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, fold forward. From here, left hand stays low. Inhale, take the right arm up towards the ceiling. Turn your gaze towards your right hand. Holding it there, stay steady. Keep breathing. Now the right hand comes low. Take a deep breath in and stretch out, turn towards the left hand. Breathing in through your nostrils. Left hand comes down. Inhale and now rise all the way up. Exhale and have your hands in prayer position, or you can relax your arms by your side. Now bring your feet closer to each other with your toes pointing slightly out. Okay? Now have your hands in prayer position. As you exhale, you bend your knees and you sit all the way down into the yogic squat, Malasana. Your back is straight, hands in prayer position. Your elbows are pressing your knees out, so you're getting a deeper Malasana stretch. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And then take support of your hands, gently coming out of it. And we will sit in Vajrasana, the thunderbolt position. From here, we will be doing Bhastrika Pranayama. So get ready for it. We will be doing 20 rounds of it. Make a fist, bend your elbows. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Rest your hands. Close your eyes. Breathing smoothly. Observe your body. Observe your breath. Observe your energy. And gently lie on the mat for Shavasana. Your legs are away from each other and your arms are away from the body. And you are absolutely relaxed on your mat with your eyes closed. Breathe smoother, deeper, and more softly with a smile. Thank you so much for joining me and practicing along with me. If you like my work, do give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel Shakti Yoga with Shaili. Share it with your friends and family. Well, keep up with your practice for week 4. And apart from that, you can scroll down all the other videos that are available on my channel. I'll see you soon with a new video. Thank you.